Okay, so today I want to walk you through how to post a classified listing on RiderWanted.com. From the home page, you'll see a tab here at the top that says Sell Your Ride. Go ahead and click that. Once you do that, you'll notice that there is a drop-down that says List a Classified and another drop-down that says List an Auction. We're going to select List a Classified Ad. Once you do that, you'll see a page that says Sell Your Ride. Choose your classified tier. Now there are three options here with regard to listing a classified ad. So you'll notice that you have Standard, Featured, and Premium. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll notice a number of features and benefits that are applicable to each one. So I highly recommend that you read those and determine which listing format will be best for you. But for this example, we'll go ahead and select Premium, select List Now. The next page you'll see here, it says List Your Classified Ad. Now one quick side note, if you have not already done so, you will not be able to get to this page until you've signed into your account or created a new account. Okay, moving on. This section here is where we will post our vehicle information. So simply start with the year. Next, we'll put in the asking price. And then vehicle class, okay? So you click here and you'll get a drop-down menu. In this example, I'm going to be posting a motorcycle, so we're going to select motorcycle. But if you had an ATV, a UTV, a classic motorcycle, something over 25 years old, a personal watercraft, or a snowmobile, you would select the relevant classification here. So we're going to go ahead and select motorcycle. It's going to be a Honda. It is a CB, and it is a CB 750. So we're going to scroll down here to the 750s, and we're going to put that in. Moving right along, you'll come across motorcycle types. This is how people find your motorcycle in the search section of the website. So you want to make sure that you select every applicable box that pertains to your listing. In my example, this is a standard or upright motorcycle, so I'm going to select that. It's also an on-road motorcycle, so we're going to select cruiser. The listing headline, keep it short and simple. This is where you just want to put the year, make, and model. Once that is complete, you'll move down to the listing description. And this is where you can add all the fun details about how cool your motorcycle is. All the upgrades, the ownership history, any damage, etc. Next, we want to put the location in. This lets buyers understand where the unit is located. Once that's complete, we'll move on to the additional details section. This is where you'll put the displacement in. So we'll put 750 in here at the top. This motorcycle has approximately 35,000 original miles. And the VIN number, I don't have it, but we'll put this sample VIN number in for now. Primary and secondary colors. This is an all blue motorcycle, so we're just going to leave it blue and blue. And as it is in 1971, not a lot of these apply, but air-cooled does apply, so we'll go ahead and put that in. The next section is where we're going to add our photos and video. So the first thing we want to do is select our featured image. So when buyers come across your listing, this would be the picture that jumps out at them or they see first. So put your best picture as the featured image. So we'll go ahead and browse. I'm going to put, let's put this one in. And after we've got our featured image, we're going to go ahead and select the rest of our files. I'm just going to drag all of these in. Okay, once the photos have loaded, we can continue on and add video. If we have video, you'll choose the type here. If you have an MP4, you can certainly load that. Or if you have a YouTube or Vimeo account, you'll just simply need to copy the link and paste it in here. Once that's done, make sure you select the terms of service. Scroll back up here to the top, and this is just a quick overview of what your listing is. This is a 1971 Honda CB 750. We've signed up for the premium subscription. Our asking price is $5,000 and the total is $4.95 a week. Once we've confirmed that that's all correct, we'll go ahead and check out. After you select checkout, you'll be taken to the cart page and you'll notice list your classified ad has been added to your cart. If you had an additional motorcycle to post, you could go ahead and hit continue shopping and post your additional listing. But in this example, you just want to confirm everything is correct. So this is a premium listing at $495. Here's the year, the asking price, the make, model, and trim of the motorcycle. Make sure and verify that all the information here is correct. If there's a promo code there, you can certainly enter it here. And once you've done that, proceed to checkout. Okay guys, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about this video or any other issue regarding the site, you can reach us at support@RiderWanted.com.